If you are a singing teacher, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for singing teacher business. Imagine you are a singing teacher and you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp about booking, availability, pricing and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will teach you how to create this chatbot for singing teacher business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond, collect details, and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. Here you can see I have created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here I will type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have typed key message, I got a response reply which welcome me to Pabbly Singing Studio, and with that they have given me few action buttons out of which I can choose any of them according to my requirement. Let's say I want to book a lesson. For that I will click book a lesson. Over here they have asked me few of my details like my full name, the date I want to join and the timing. I have entered my detail, demo user as my name, Monday and Tuesday I want to join, and timing will be from 5 p.m. I will enter that. After entering my detail, I got a message that done, your class is booked. Get ready to warm up through vocals. With that, I have got two action buttons, which is menu and talk to teacher. Let's say I want to talk to teacher about few details. I got a response that connecting to your vocal coach. Please wait while I pin this. With that, I got an action button menu. As you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds and made my customer experience so much better. That too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and type pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you have searched this, you will be landed on pabbly.com page. Over here, you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free, but as I am existing user, I will click on sign in. You will be redirected to the dashboard. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place without opening WhatsApp separately. To add your WhatsApp number, you need to click on Add WhatsApp Number, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, business account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Okay, not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer without opening WhatsApp separately. Below that, there is a contact section where you can create new contacts and separate according to your requirement. After that, there is team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and also review their performances. After that, there is a template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, there is broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. Next, there is Flow, which is a powerful tool to create chatbot. After that, there is AI assistant, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. Okay, as we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, you need to click on flow option and you will be landed on flow builder page. Over here, to create a new flow, you need to click on top right corner on the add flow button. As soon as you clicked on that button, you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you can see a window is open named by flow start. Inside this, there are keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Okay, as we got to know about each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, you need to give a meaningful name to this flow. As we are making this chatbot for singing teacher, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your singing teacher business. After giving a meaningful name, I will enter reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button from message section and connect with our flow start. Over here, I'm going to browse an image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I will enter my welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on Add Content button and select the text button. Here, I'm going to enter welcome message, which welcome my customer. And with that, I'm going to enter action button. For that, I'm going to click Add button and enter my message, book a lesson. After that, I'm going to put another action button which says submit recording. In my third action button, I will put practice routine. After putting my action button, I want to give separate message for each action button. Let's start with book a lesson. To book a lesson, I want to know few details of my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question and connect with my action button. As soon as my customer click on this action button, a question will be asked to them. Here, I'm going to enter my message. Over here, I have asked my customer few of their details. You can ask your customer multiple questions by entering each detail. For that, you need to just drag and drop, ask question and connect with your previous question. By this, you can ask your customer question step by step. But as I have asked my customer question in one format, I will enter my contact custom field as details and my format as any. Now you must be wondering how to add your contact custom field. For that, you need to save your flow. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is saved. After that, come with me to the settings section. Here you can see a feature is given named by contact custom field. As soon as you clicked on this, you will be landed on this page. Here you can add multiple contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have added multiple contact custom field over here. I will resume back to my flow. After getting your customer detail, I will send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop and select text button over here, and here I'm going to enter a confirmation message which says done, your class is booked. Get ready to warm up through vocal. Now as you can see, I have put few message between stars. That means I want to highlight these message. With that, I'm going to add action button as well. For that, I'm going to click add button and enter my text, talk to the teacher. I'm going to add one more action button which says menu, and I'm going to connect menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on menu button, they will receive initial message again. After completing our first action button, which was book a lesson, I will move back to our second action button, which is submit recording. To submit recording, I again need to ask my student few questions. For that, I will drag and drop and connect with my previous question. Over here, I will enter a message. Send your voice note below, max 2 minutes. I will pass it to your teacher and get back to you with tip. After entering my message, I will select my contact custom field as feedback, as we are sending a recording for our feedback, and my format as any. As soon as my students send me a recording, I will send them a message that soon they will going to get feedback. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. You will get expert feedback to help you improve faster. Over here, I'm going to enter two action button by clicking on add button option, which says talk to the teacher and menu. Again, I'm going to connect my menu button with our initial message. Now I will move back to our third action button, which is practice routine. For practice routine, I will enter separate message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop and select the text button over here. Here I'm going to enter a message which tell my customer about how to practice with few steps. So yes, I have entered message in which I have mentioned all the steps my customer should take care while practicing. With that also I'm going to put two action button, talk to teacher and menu. For talk to teacher, I will enter a separate message. For that I'm going to drag and drop and click on text button. Here I'm going to enter my message connecting you to your coach. Please wait while I'll pin them. Tip: use voice note for faster feedback. And I'm going to connect every talk to teacher button with this message. Something like this. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for singing teacher business. After that, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.